Hi there, my name is Sam and today I'll show you how to use Instant Studio to create better product images with AI. To work with Instant Studio, you simply select any image on a layout. So right here, the image is selected. We can also see it in the layer panel, and right above we see the option Edit with AI. And when you click on this, the Instant Studio prompt box will appear. And we can choose between a product shot, which is basically a photo with a product, or we can choose for a lifestyle photo where there can also be a product in it, but there's always a person in this photo. So that's the difference between a product shot or a lifestyle photo. In this case, I think it's nice to showcase a person taking a supplement with water, since that will perfectly fit with this page. So let's click on lifestyle. And right here, we can upload a product photo if that's needed. We can upload an asset or select an asset with images we've uploaded to Instant or to Shopify. In this case, it's not needed. Then we can select a scene. These are simply presets, the same as the template library. So you can choose from a variety of different presets to work with. Then under person, we can find many different females and males to choose from that we can use within our lifestyle images. So for this image, let's scroll down and select Maya. We can see she's now added to the prompt box right here. And then let's create our own scene with a prompt. So a close-up photo of a woman taking a supplement with water, dark green outfit and background, warm light, and a premium wellness feeling. That's the prompt. And now let's click on generate. Instant Studio will get the work and it will always create it within the aspect ratio of the selected image. And a few seconds later, it's done. And this image is looking super, super nice. It's exactly what we have prompted, and it matches with the overall aesthetic we're going for on this page. Next to lifestyle images, we can also create product images. To do that, we select an image again, click on Edit with AI, and this opens up Instant Studio. And now let's click on Create a Backshot. By default, the image that you have selected is added to the prompt box, and this way Instant Studio will know whatever the prompt will be applied to the attached image. Then we have styles. Again, this works the same like templates. And for this one, let's simply select a style and don't do anything else with a custom prompt. I think this one looks great. Serpentine, it's added to the prompt box. So now let's click on generate. And there we have it. Another great looking product image that matches with the aesthetic that we're going for on this page. And that's how you can use Instant Studio to create better product images and lifestyle images. So thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video.